Good afternoon, my name is Jeremiah with Mobility 316. Today I'm shooting a video of our 2022 Chrysler Voyager LX. You can see here with either one of the key fobs I can operate both power sliding doors and the rear trunk hatch. This has a brand new rear entry conversion, not all beat up like a lot of the old used ones. Easy to operate, low cost to maintain. I can pinch here, give it a flip. It's got a handle on either side. These clamps, they keep the ramps from rattling. They're a great design. I pinch and I flip. Super simple to do, and I take it to the ground using only my index finger. I tell our customers, if you can lift a half a gallon of milk up off the ground, you can operate this 34-inch wide ramp with ease. That's 4 inches wider than most side entries, so if you're looking to haul a bigger chair or chairs, these rear entries might be the answer for you. If someone parks next to you in a side entry van, you cannot get out of it in your wheelchair. Not the case with the rear entry. The rear entry have more ground clearance for getting over rougher terrain, and they're more affordable to convert, therefore more affordable for you to purchase. A few of the advantages to the rear entry, but if you're looking for a side entry, we do sell those. We've got full size. Let me know what you're looking for. We can find it, or we've already got it. 800-pound weight capacity. You got about 56 inches of headroom coming inside the van. Then once you're inside the van, it does taper to about 32 inches of width here where the ramp settles. You got 8 tie-down points in here, so you can get up to 2 wheelchairs at a time, or a gurney or a stretcher. And this is the deep cut. This is about a foot longer than both the Toyota and the Dodge. So if you're looking to haul 2 chairs at a time, you want that extra about foot of room, it makes a big difference. These Chryslers also might be the answer for you. We can put a third row seat that'll flip down when it's in use, flip up when it's not in use, so we can get up to 6 people in here plus a wheelchair. And what we've got here, we've got the flip base seats. Let me show you how these work. You can see right now, they're nice and clean. And then to get these stowed, to get these out of the way, put our armrests up here. I'm going to undo these seat belts. We just plug them in to make sure they're working. Yes, we test everything. Then we're going to fold the seat down right here. It will come down fast, so I'm going to put my elbow against it here. Try to let it down so it's not so fast. There we go. And then when it's time to flip the seat up, see this handle here, we pull it out to the right. So I'm going to need both hands to do this. All right, I pulled it out and I got it started. So once you get it started, you just pull right up here. Folds right up. I'll do the other one real quick. Again, put our armrest up. Make sure the seat belt's not done, not latched. I'm going to fold it down. Put my elbow here because it will come down quickly. There you go. And again, now on this one, we're going to pull to the left. All right, I got it started. Again, I just pull it up like so. And then once you get both those up and out of the way, if you're trying to haul a gurney or 2 chairs at a time, you've got the option to do so. And we can add a gurney kit to this. Got our upgraded Q-string tie downs. Those are high dollar. A lot of my competition selling the cheap tie downs in these things. Be aware of that. Make sure you're comparing apples to apples when you're talking about price. Got our warranty and instructions there. Real nice center console. Got all the plugs for your electronics. Dual climate control, rear air, backup camera. Dash is in great shape, no cracks or holes in the dash. Steering wheel controls to keep your eyes on the road. You can sync your phone. And you can also shut all the power doors up here just like so. And as I exit the vehicle, just reverse the process. Again, one finger, that's all it takes. Check it out. Easy to do, low cost to maintain. Clamp it down and you're ready to roll. We've even got our little spare tire back here. I'll get you a picture of it. But yes, see it's in there. Now our brand new conversion comes with a 3-year unlimited mile warranty on the conversion. Now, our competition is going to tell you they have a better conversion than we do, and that's fine. That's what they get paid to say. What else are they going to say? But 3 years, 36,000 miles. A lot of those converters come with a 1 year, 12,000 mile. A lot of them come with 3 year, 36,000 miles. You know, if they're stop at 36,000 or 12,000, ours is unlimited. You tell me who has the better quality conversion. So as I do a walk around to the van here, it's got brand new tires on the front. The back ones are 9/32, so almost brand new. So essentially 4 brand new tires on this van. As I do my walk around, I'm looking for little scratches or little tiny dents. I'm not going to sit here and say it's perfect, but boy, it's very clean. That's one advantage when you buy from us. I'm the owner of the company. I'm buying from the same perspective you are. A lot of these companies, they have a buyer. The buyer gets paid $200 or $300 every vehicle they buy. They don't care if it's clean. They don't care if it's been in a bad accident. They don't care if it's been in a flood. They just want that commission. Well, me, I put my name on every one of these. I personally hand select every one of these. I don't buy just to buy. I buy to get a good quality vehicle. And no matter who you do business with, make sure you get a video of this VIN number sticker. And you ask, why would I get a video? A lot of scammers out there. They're taking pictures off the internet, vans for sale, even my vans. and they're putting them online. You know, say our vans that are $40,000, $50,000, and they'll put it on Facebook Marketplace for $15,000. They'll tell you put $1,000 deposit down. They're trying to get you to send them $1,000, and once you send that money, they disappear off the face of the earth. So if you were to say to that person, hey, I want a video with your name in it, like me, I'm Jeremiah Coleman, there's my VIN number, that means I have the van right here in my possession. These people couldn't do that because they don't own the vans. They're probably not even in this country. So no matter who you buy from, get a video of that VIN number. Don't get scammed. All right, what else I do with that VIN number? I run a Carfax report on every one of our vehicles before we buy it. You can see this is one owner, no accidents or damage. Last owned is a corporate vehicle in nice salt rust-free California. I like those business vehicles. It means they've been adult driven, haven't been smoked in, haven't had pets or kids. And look, I love pets and kids, they're great, but I do know they can take a toll on a vehicle. So these corporate vehicles, they're generally super clean, just like this one is. Carfax shows no salvage, junk, rebuilt, fire, flood, hail, or lemon brands on the title, and they show no total loss. So this is not one of the super risky salvage or rebuilt titles. This is a one owner, clean title, no accidents. Carfax shows no structural damage, airbags have never deployed, odometer's accurate, no accidents or damage, and no open recalls. And Carfax shows the vehicle went into service June 22nd of 2022, so it meets the specs to be under the full Chrysler powertrain warranty until June 22nd, 2027, or 60,000 miles, whichever comes first. And no matter who you do business with, find them online. Look at the reputation and reviews. Find us on eBay, 1,505 transactions. Every single one of those transactions left us positive feedback. That's 100%. I would say that qualifies for a good reputation. And no matter who you do business with, find them on Google. Make sure they are a real company. Make sure you're not getting scammed. You can see here we are, 4.8 out of 5-star reviews. We're here in Wichita, Kansas. You know, I hear horror stories all the time. People buying from a private individual they knew nothing about. They buy a vehicle that's stolen. You know, they end up having to get the vehicle back, and they don't get their money back. Or they buy a vehicle that's been in a bad flood, horrible accident. Or they buy from one of these dealers that got 1 and 2 and 3-star ratings up here on Google. You know, they didn't bother taking 30 seconds to look them up on Google to see the ratings and see what people are saying about them, and they ended up with a vehicle with horrible mechanical issues. You know, so if you want 1 and 2 and 3-star vans, give them a call. If you want 5-star vans with 5-star customer service with somebody that's been doing this for a dozen years, I look forward to working with you. Another great feature about this van, it's got the remote start. So I hit the button there twice. The van will fire right up. So whether it's summertime and you want to come out to a nice air-conditioned van, or it's, you know, colder out and you want to come out and enjoy the heated seats, have the vehicle ready to go, a heated steering wheel, this van gives you that option. Another feature I like, and it does come with the 2 keys. Another feature I like about this van, yeah, that radio works just fine, but it's got the push button start. So if these keys are in your pocket or your purse, you don't have to fish them out. You just get in the vehicle, put your foot on the brake, push your start button. You're ready to roll. You can see all the dummy lights work, and they all go out, so there's no check engine lights on, no airbag, no ABS lights. 38,578 miles. Turn it on with a backup camera there. And if you're going to use this vehicle for business, you're going to be in and out the doors a lot, you can always hit the off button there. What that does, turns the power doors off. So I can open and shut them quickly. You know, if you're running a business, time is money. You don't have to worry about damaging the vehicle, the doors at all, putting wear and tear on those motors. So it gives you that option, open and shut quickly. And I've got 3 mechanics that work for me. We've tested all the power mirrors and windows on this van. I'm going to show you those moving. There you go, mirror moving up and down. See that window there, mirror over there moving up and down. We've given these a road test. We test belts, hoses, cruises, suspension, brakes, steering. Check the tires, taking them on a road test. My point is, we're very thorough in everything we do, and I hope you can tell that by this video. I don't just run them through the car wash and put them on the lot. They're very thoroughly inspected before they hit my lot. Underneath the hood, I have a 3.6 V6 engine. Idles smoothly, no signs of any damage, no signs of any leaks, and it purrs like a kitten. As I crawl underneath the van, much of the same. Very clean. No signs of any bent metal from an accident, no signs of any water damage from a flood, no signs of any fluid leaks. And that's the #1 mistake people make when they buy a used vehicle. They assume things. They assume just because it only has 38,000 miles on it, they assume it runs and drives good. They assume it's never been in a bad accident or a flood. And that's the most dangerous thing you can do, like I said. So what I want you to do, I want you to go check out my competition. I don't care if they're another dealer. I don't care if it's a private individual. But what I want you to ask yourself is, do they show me the reputation online so I know I'm buying from somebody reputable and honest? Do they show me a Carfax report so I know I'm buying a vehicle that's got a clean title, no major accidents or damage, never been in a flood? If they get down on their hands and knees and even bother taking a couple pictures, much less a detailed video of the undercarriage, so you know exactly what you're getting, so you can see there's no water damage under there, and never been in a flood. So when it comes to not only price, when it comes to reputation, when it comes to how thorough they are showing you the exact vehicle you're going to get, please compare me to the competition. You know what ends up happening if you buy a van you can't get a title from, from a private individual or another dealer? Well, you can't register it and you can't drive it. But what if you buy a van that's got a frame damage from an accident or maybe a flood, and it doesn't pass inspection in your state? Again, you can't drive it. So don't buy a paperweight. Make sure you do 4 things. Demand a detailed video like this. You're telling me someone's going to ask you to send them $40,000, $50,000 or more, and they won't even provide a good detailed video for you? Come on now. Second thing is demand a Carfax report. Carfax costs me a lot of money every month, thousands of dollars, but I do that because I'm buying from your perspective, and I meant that when I said it. I want the best of the best. I want to know the history of the vehicle. I want to know what I'm getting. That just carries over as beneficial to you as well. Carfax are $45. Again, if someone's selling a $40,000, $50,000 van, they should have a Carfax with it. Third, get online, find out who you're buying from, check out their reputation and reviews. We talked about this a little bit. Don't be a lazy buyer. Lazy buyers get scammed. So make sure you're seeing who you're buying from, and then finally, demand a warranty. All of our vehicles come with a warranty. Do not risk buying as is. We make sure every single one of our vehicles comes with that warranty. Like I mentioned, meet the specs to be under the full Dodge powertrain warranty until 60,000 miles or 2027. There's a 3-year unlimited mile warranty on the conversion. So we stand behind our products. We make sure every single one of them comes with a warranty. Okay, the final portion of the video. I always like to get the vans out on the highway, give them some gas so you can hear the engine run, feel the transmission shift through all the gears, and whether you take advantage of our free shipping in the lower 48 states, or if you come in and drive this Chrysler home. We've done our due diligence, make sure it's roadworthy, pops up to 70 miles an hour, no problems whatsoever. Steering wheel's nice and straight, runs and drives like a brand new van. We got the cruise control set, cruise works good. Do keep in mind, we do have our complimentary, it meets the specs to be under the factory warranty still from Chrysler. We do sell long-term warranties that are factory type bumper-to-bumper warranties. Those go anywhere from 90 days all the way up to 8 years and everywhere in between. So talk to me about how you can affordably protect your investment long-term. Also, keep in mind, we don't have any hidden fees. A lot of these dealers show a real nice price online. What they have hidden in the fine print, $500 administrative fee, they got document fees, they got tag fees, they got freight, you name it, they got a fee for it. You know what they don't have? Free shipping. So by the time you add up all their hidden fees, by the time you add up the cost of shipping, that real nice price you saw online, well, it just jumped $3,000 or $4,000. That's not such a nice price anymore, is it? So be sure to ask about the fees and shipping before you buy, or sit back, relax, let me take care of all that for you at no additional charge to you. My question to you, if someone's not telling you the real price of a vehicle, if they've got a bunch of hidden fees on the back end, what else are they hiding from you? Is it a salvage title? Is it flood damage? Is it major mechanical issues? I can't speak for them, but what I can speak for, that in any business, but especially the used car business, transparency is key. That's exactly why I'm out here making this video today. So be aware of that when you're out shopping. I'm going to give the van a nice hard brake at the bottom of this ramp. You'll see no grinding, no squeaking, no unusual brake noise or vibration. Again, runs exactly like it should. If you'd like to give us a phone call or a text, 316-262-VANS. That's 316-262-8267. My name is Jeremiah. I am the owner. That is a direct number to my line. You can call or text me. I challenge you to ask the competition if they are dedicated enough to customer service to give you a cell phone number for the owner. Or do you have to call in and talk to an automated system and end up in somebody's voicemail and never get a call back? Or maybe you do get that live person that's that super pushy, aggressive used car salesman who's going to call you 5 times a day to ask if you're ready to make a deal. So if you're like me, sick of being treated like just a number by all these companies out there, and you definitely want to avoid that super pushy used car salesman, give me a call. I'll walk you through start to finish, or text. Give me a call, and I'll walk you through start to finish And I promise you, absolutely zero pressure sales. I'm going to sell this Voyager whether you buy it or not, so no pressure sales here. I'll just show you the heated seats and the heated steering wheel on this van, so nice comfy features there as well. Yes, we do have financing available. We can send an application to your phone or email address. If computers aren't your thing, pick up the phone, give us a call. We're more than happy to take an application over the phone. Yes, we do take trade-ins, even from across the country, whether standard or mobility vehicle. Call me, I can explain how that works. And if you made it to the end of our video, I know it's a long video, thank you for hanging in there, but I also know it's a major purchase. I try to be as transparent and as detailed as possible. And if you'd like to give us a thumbs up here on YouTube, we'd really appreciate that. That would help us out. Give us a follow to be the first to see all of our upcoming inventory. And if you ever do want to come in and visit us, we'd love to spend some time with you, but you 100% have to make that appointment. We stay extremely busy. Sometimes the lot is full of people. You have to make that appointment. Give us a call, give us a text, let's set it up. I'll work around your schedule. And if you'd like to see our entire inventory with detailed videos just like this, free shipping, free Carfax reports, dozens of pictures, and no hidden fees, so you know exactly what you're getting from the most thorough and transparent mobility dealership in the country, check out our website 24 hours a day at www.mobility316.com. That's mobility316.com. And as always, thanks for checking out Mobility 316, home of affordable mobility solutions, where mobility is affordable. Call us today.